Hi everyone.
Hi, madam. Good morning.
Okay. What is the shortcut key to hide or unhide the ribbon? Hide or unhide the ribbon. Control F1. Okay. Control Q is for quick analysis. I'll fill this whenever we discuss that particular topic. Okay. How many rows we have in 2003 Excel? You attended yesterday's one, just a demo session. You can go through that video. Okay. Yeah. 65,536 rows. And how many columns? 256 columns. IV is the last column name. Okay. And from 2007 onwards, it is 10 lakhs 576 and 16,384 columns. Except D is the last column name. Okay. From which version we have slicers and sparklines? 2010. There is no 2000. 2010. Timeline option and flash fill available from 2013. Okay. Which version is you can use lifetime? Office 365. Okay. Fine. Let's go for next concept. Excel UI, already you know about this. So these are called tabs. Home tab, insert tab, page layout, all these are called tabs, Excel tabs. In each tab, you will have groups, clipboard group, font group, like main folder, subfolder, something like that. They are keeping some relevant options in each group. Okay. There. This is called title bar. You can see the name of the file here. And this is quick access toolbar. I'll explain you what is quick access toolbar later. And ribbon, actually this is ribbon. Here you can see the ribbon. These are groups. And here is the, you can see the cell address. Correct? That is called name box. This is name box. Wherever you are able to see the cell address, that is name box. And this is formula bar, where you can see the actual formula. See, suppose if I'm writing sum of 10, 20, I can see 30. But if you keep your cursor there, then you can see what is the actual value in it. Where you can see that in the formula bar. Okay. And these are row labels and these are column labels. These are called sheet names, sheets, and status bar, zoom options. You can increase the zoom or decrease the zoom percentage using this minus and plus options. Or you can click on this 100%. There you can increase the zoom percentage. Okay. And view of the sheet also you can change from here. This is the normal view. This is page layout view. And this is page break preview like this. You will get this in a view tab. What is view all? Okay. Fine. Coming to a quick access toolbar. if you are using some option regularly, more frequently, assume like I have to use some remove duplicates more frequently. So you need to go to select the range and go to data tab and select remove duplicates option. You need to follow, navigate to some options, right? Instead of that, just like a shortcut, you can keep that here in the top. Whatever option you are using more frequently, that you can keep in the top. That is quick access toolbar. Now see, actually all borders we have in home tab. In borders, you have to select all borders option, correct? But already we kept it in quick access toolbar. See, without navigating to all that options directly, you can use it here. How to add that? Let's see. Go to file, options. You can go to quick access toolbar here. Quick access toolbar and select whatever option you want to add. These are more popular commands, but you can click on this drop down. From which tab you want to add, you can select it. Suppose from insert tab, I want to add charts. Okay. Or filters. Whatever you want to add, just select that. Insert icons, I want to insert icon. Click on, select that option, click on add. Okay, I don't want chart, select that and click on remove. Say okay. Now if you see, you have insert icon option. You can click on insert icon and you can insert the icons from here itself, without navigating to insert tab and insert icon option. Is that clear?
Multiple options can be taken over.
Yeah, multiple. Whatever option you want, you can select that add and say okay. Okay. These are the total list of shortcut keys already available. But while the class is going on, whenever the particular option is coming, I'll explain you that. I'll add it here. These are the total shortcut keys already available in this list. Next one. Data types. Before going to this home tab, you should understand learning about Excel is nothing but learning about numbers. Correct? Because whatever data analysis you are doing and whatever calculations you are doing, most of the times we do with numbers only. Right? So what are the data types are available in Excel? We have text data type, number data type, date and time, logical and errors. Date and time and number both are numbers only. Date and time also one of the number, but number in a different format. Time also one of the number, but in a different format. Okay. So if you enter any number, default it will align to right side. Numbers are aligned to right side. Date also one of the number I said, right? Center, it's aligned to right side. Time, one of the number, it will align to right side. Whatever is aligning to right side, that means it's stored in the form of number. Okay? So, but suppose I'm changing this format to text. This cell format, I change it to text. Instead of default format, I'm changing to text. Now enter 10. Is it aligning to right side? No. Now it is aligned to left side and you are getting some warning. What is that warning? Number stored as text. Now this is a looks like a number, but actually it's not a number. It is a text. This is not eligible for calculation. If you are doing suppose sum of two numbers, it will give you 0. You won't get result. See, I'm entering one more number 20. If you do sum of these two equal to sum of these two numbers, you won't get result. because you don't have any number in the selected range. Okay. Before doing any analysis, you should be clear with whether it is stored in number format or not. If it is not in number format, sometimes, when you're downloading data from other applications or when the people are entering the data, they may enter in the form of text. So you need to convert into your required format. That is called the normalization. You need to clean up your data. You need to finalize your data set by writing some formulas or by applying some options. Then you need to go for your report. Okay. So text will align to left side. Excel VBA left side. Okay. Logical values are center. Logical values are nothing but true or false. These logical values we get when you are comparing one value with other value. Like, is 10 is less than 20 or not? It's like yes or no, true or false. Is 10 is less than 20? Yes. So you will get true. 10 is greater than 20? False. 10 is equal to 20? 10 is not equal to 20. So that comparison, when you are using comparison operators, you will get this true or false. These are called logical values. They align to center. And the last one is errors. Errors you will get while writing the formulas. Like suppose if I am dividing some number with 0. Usually we will get infinity error in our mathematics, right? It will give you divided by 0 error. Denominator should not be 0. By mistake, instead of sum, I am writing sun. It's a typing mistake. And there is no function called sun in Excel. So you will get some name error. Okay. There is a formula called date. In date formula, if you are providing year, month and day, then it will convert into date format. Suppose year is 2025, month is 11th month and day is some 4. Okay. Say enter, it's giving me some date, right? But by mistake, instead of day, you are giving some Excel. That's not a valid input to that function. It is looking for a number as input. Correct? Then you will get value error. Value error is type mismatch error. Data type mismatch error. It's looking for number, but you are providing text. It is looking for text or you are providing some other data type as input. Then you will get value error. So the errors will align to center and by default you get with hash symbol if it is error. Okay. Is that clear? These are the data types. And you can see with example here. Okay. Now, all the numbers are not a valid numbers. All numbers are not valid means all are not eligible for calculation. Example, I have like a mobile number. Will you do any calculation with the mobile number? Mobile number is one of the number only. Row ID. Will you do any calculation? Serial number. Will you do sum of serial numbers, all that? No. I have a employee ID. Employee ID is again a number. We don't do any calculation. They are for identification, not for calculation, right? So all are not eligible for calculation. You should be clear with what is eligible for calculation, which is not. Okay. So example here, employee ID, it's not a number. And mobile number is not a number. Bank balance is a number. Marks in exam is a number. And buy car last 4 digits. It's not a number. Okay. Now next. Do a multiplication here. I'm writing equal to this cell value into 2. Which cell value? 3. 3 into 2. What should be the output? 6, but it's giving me 5. Why? Go to the cell. Actual value of the cell is 2.5. You are rounding it, or you are changing the visibility of the cell, but not the actual value. So using number formatting options, what we are going to learn in next couple of minutes, number formatting is nothing but changing number from one format to another format. You can see here 2.5, but after changing that number formatting, it looks like a 3, but it will not change the actual value. So whatever calculations you are doing, that will take the actual value, but not the visible value. Just remember this. It looks like a 3, but it is not actually 3. It will take. Yeah.
We have like formula currently.
Yes. Formula bar, it will show you actual value.
When you click on the file, it is shown be a current formula.
Yeah.
And it has to 6 only.
In formula bar, it is showing like 2.5 only.
Yeah.
See? Yeah. So in calculations, it will take actual value, not visible value. Okay? That's why you're getting 5. Okay? And here also, if you store these numbers in text format, if you do sum of these numbers, it will not give you result. It will show you 0 because they stored in text format. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. Now let's go for number formatting options. Number you can see in different formats. Okay. Now particularly we are talking about only numbers. So general is general only. Whatever you enter, it will show you in the same format. Number format 1, if you change it to number format, it will show you like this 1.00. Okay. And this is the shortcut key. Here already mentioned shortcut keys. Just to try to apply that shortcut keys when you are changing the number format. And in currency format, it will come up with a dollar symbol. I mean, dollar means with currency symbol. Now you can see euro symbol, euro 1.00. Accounting format, number 1 is 1. With again currency symbol, but you can see a space between the number and the symbol. Next, date format, 1 is equal to 1/1/1900. Your Excel dates will start from 1/1. Your calendar will start from 1/1/1900. Okay. Suppose if I say 5/1/1900. Suppose if I say some 35, 4th February 1900. After 35 days, it will add to 1/1/1900. And you will get the date. See, if you see today's date, okay, today's date, it is 4/11/2025, right? But if you change to general, you will get some number. 45,965. What is that mean, you know? From 1/1/1900 till today, 45,965 days completed. Okay, that is the meaning of it. So now 1 is nothing but what? 1/1/1900. Long date format also 1/1/1900, but in a different format. Sunday first, I mean, with the week name and month name, all that. In time format, 1 is equal to 24 hours. Starting from morning 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock, half of the time. From afternoon 12 to again night 12, total 24 hours is equal to 1. If I say 0.5, what will be the time? 0.5. 12 o'clock, afternoon 12 o'clock, 0.25, morning 6 o'clock, 0.75, evening 6 o'clock. Like that it will change. Okay. So now 1 is equal to, in time format, it is all zeros, which is nothing but early morning, 12 o'clock. For cell references, okay. This dollar is for value, that dollar is for cell reference. There is a difference. This dollar you can see. Cell reference dollar is different and this dollar is different. See, suppose if I am giving equal to A1, this you can't see. This dollar is different. If you press F4, you will get dollar. Okay, this is cell reference. It will start with equal to symbol. This dollar is visible. It's not a formula. Only visible dollar it will change. Okay. Okay. Fine. Next one is time format is done, right? Percentage format. In percentage format, 1 is equal to 100 percentage. 0.5 is 50 percentage, you know, right? 1 is equal to 100%. So change this to percentage, you will get 100%. Text format 1 is 1, but it will align to left side and it is not eligible for calculation because it's stored in text format. Fraction format 1 is 1, but if it is 0.5, then you will see 1 by 2. 0.75 will be 3 by 4. It will change into fraction. And scientific format, I have suppose 1000. 1000 you can write like 1 into 10 power 3. Correct? 1 into 10 power 3. If you have some 100, 1 into 10 power 2. Correct? That 1 into 10 power 2 in the scientific format, it will show you like 1 e plus 02. 1.00 e plus 02. E plus 02 is nothing but it's like a 10 power 2. E plus 03 means it's like a 10 power 3. When you have lengthy numbers to fit the data in the cell, by default it will convert into scientific format. You are writing some 10 digits or 15 digit number in the same cell, but the width of the cell is less. To fit the data, by default it will convert into scientific format. Okay, so it's like this. 1.00 e plus 03. E plus 03 is like into 10 power 3. It's nothing but a 1000. Okay. Usually you won't. By default, it will convert into scientific sometimes when you have lengthy numbers. But again, you can convert into number format also. Okay. Let's see. After conversion, some more example. 1 is 1. What is 5? 5.00. 4 euro symbol with 4.000, right? 6 in accounting format, same. 45,965, which is today's date. It's giving 4/11/2025. And long date format, Tuesday, 4th November 2025. 0.75 in time format. What is 0.75? Evening 6 o'clock. Nothing but 6 p.m. It is 18. It is coming in 24 hours format. That's why you got 18. If you change into 12 hours format, then you will get 6 p.m. Okay. 0.5 in percentage format. 50 percentage. Text I am not giving any example. Fraction. 0.5 in fraction format. Fraction. 1/2. 2340 in scientific format. How many zeros we have in this?
1 0.
It's a 1000 value, right?
So 3 zeros.
3 zeros. So you can write it like 2.34 into 10 power 3. That is also same 2340 only. So you will get 2.34e plus 03. It's like 2.34 into 10 power 3. Nothing but 2340. Okay. So that is, these are the different numbers we will see in our exam. Now, by default, why it is giving 3 decimal number? What if you want to get 2 decimal number? Why it is showing euro symbol only? What if I want to get a dollar symbol? So these are the default settings. How to change to different format, that we'll see now. So in this first one is number, only number will see. The first example is convert to 2 decimal format. All these are numbers. Let's convert this to 2 decimal format. Select the range. Control 1 is the shortcut key to open format cells dialog box. Go to number formatting. And in this number of decimals change from 3 to 2. That's it. Say okay. All you will see in 2 decimal format. Right? Next one. Negative in red color. If you have any negative number in this range, convert them into red color. And with minus symbol. Select the range. Control 1. Number. Here you have negative number related options. In this, convert into red color with the minus symbol. This is red with minus symbol. Select that. Say okay. Okay. Negative in red color without minus symbol. Select this. Control 1. Number. Negative number in red without minus symbol. Say okay. Now wherever you have negative number, there it will show you in red color, but it will not show you that minus symbol. But if you keep your cursor there, you can see the actual value. Okay. Last one. Comma style. You know, when you have a lengthy number for better readability purpose, we give commas, right? That is comma style. Go to number, just select use 1000 separator option, say okay. You will get this commas. Okay, clear? Next one. Currency formatting. Convert to 2 decimal number. Control 1. Now go to currency options. 2. Reduce to 2. Say okay. Select this negative number in red with minus symbol. This is okay. And this is without minus symbol. This one you have to choose. The last one is change currency symbol. Default it is giving me euro, but I want to get a dollar or a different country symbol. So select this range, currency. Here symbol is euro, right? Click on this drop down. You will see all the country currency symbols here. Canada dollar, Hong Kong, New Zealand, US dollar. Like this, even you will have Indian rupee also. See Japanese symbol. Euro. Whereas we can go for Hindi rupee symbol. Right? Suppose if you want to convert into that format, you have a column which is a rupee money related column. Okay, there you want to show this format. Even you will get RS dot, that symbol also you can check in this list. So okay, you will get like this. Okay. Here default is a red color, but other than red color, if you want to give, you can go for custom number format. I'll explain you that. Next one. Accounting format. Convert to 2 decimal number. Okay. And change currency symbol. Accounting. And you can same like that. You can change the currency symbol. Say okay. There is no option for negative numbers, right? In currency. You have only, you can change only number of decimals and symbols. But in currency, you have negative number options, you have negative number option. But you don't have anything for accounting, just you have decimals you can change and symbol you can change. Why there is no negative number? The difference between currency and accounting is currencies will have positive and negative both. But accounting is related to bank statements, banking related transactions. So there you will have debit and credit column. Debit means it will deduct from our account and credit will add to our account, add to balance. But because it is in debit column, you won't have any minus and the number, right? All positive numbers only. But if it is in debit, it will deduct, and if it is in credit, it will add. Okay, so there is no negative symbol for accounting. That's why there is no negative related formatting option. Okay. Next one is date format. Yeah.
The accounting that is that B is come as to the beginning of the cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4.
Not necessarily for at the beginning only, for every symbol. Some symbols you will get at the end and some you will get in the beginning. That you can change in the list. Whatever I selected, that will come in the last. Okay. Next one is date format. Coming to date, default shortcut key to get system current date is control semicolon. If you press control semicolon, you will get system current date. And okay. All I'll change to date format first. Okay. Some dates we have. Select the range. Control 1. Default it will take date. It is asking to convert into long date format. This is the long date. Select it, save it. I want a date in D.M.YY format. Dot, not slash. So select the range. Control 1. Where we have D.M.Y, this one. 14 is D only, correct? Because month in month you won't have more than 12. So first one is day, then month, and then year. Say okay. It will show you in that form. Next one is D indicates day, M is for month, and Y is for year. If you keep 2 days, you see, suppose first day, okay? Let's take today's date. Today is 4th, right? If it is D, then it will give you 4. If it is DD, then it will give you 04. Instead of single digit, you will get in 2-digit form. Triple D will give you a week first 3 characters. Today is Tuesday. Then you will get TUE first 3 characters of the day. 4 days will give you complete week name, Tuesday. Okay, like that. So now in this case, only 2-digit day and 4-digit M. Single M is 11, double M also 11. If it is a single digit month, I mean like 1st to 9th, then if it is double M, you will get 0, 1, 0, 2 like that. Triple M will give you month first 3 characters. 4 M's will give you complete month name, like, okay? So select this range, control 1. So where you have complete month name, see. This one. Say okay. Last one. First, I want to get year, then month, and then day. Control 1, year, month, and then day. Like this, you can change the date format. Next one is time. Control Shift semicolon is the shortcut key to get system current. Control semicolon is for date. Control Shift semicolon is for time. It's nothing but a control colon. Okay. If you press Control Shift key, then semicolon, you will get control colon. Okay. Now, I have some time, a 0.25. Let me first convert this into time for. Okay. 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, evening 6 o'clock. So here you have hours, minutes, seconds also, correct? But I want to get only hours and minutes. I don't want seconds. So select this range. Go to time. Only hours and minutes do we have here? No, right? Go to different location. These are different country related time formats. Go to US format. You can see hours and minutes in the first. There is no AM or PM. I want to see only hours and minutes. Okay. First option, say okay. Now you are getting 6, 12, 18 hours. Hours, minutes, seconds with the 12 hours format. Control 1. Again, let's go to US format. Hours, minutes, and second with AM or PM. This option. Say okay. Only hours and minutes with AM or PM. Okay. With the AM or PM, only hours and minutes. Second one. Like this, you can change the time format. Okay. Next one is percentage format. all it is showing 3-digit percentage. Go to percentage and just convert to 2 digits. That's it, you get. And then text format. In text format, suppose I have a employee ID 000123. Okay. But once the moment you press enter, it won't accept that first zeros. But all I want to do is in every cell I want to maintain 6-digit number. But first zeros it won't accept when you are entering in the cell, Excel cells. So what you have to do? Convert this into text format, these cells. And then enter values 000123. Okay, 001234. 012345. You can remove these errors by clicking on ignore error option, so that without error you can see the action. Okay, but these are not eligible for calculations, just for view purpose. Okay.
While copying the link that values will change or remains same?
It will remain same. See, copy, paste, delete. Next one is a special format. You have some mobile numbers. The 10-digit number I don't want to see continuously. So you have different options. Go to special. Zip code is format is continuously 10-digit number. Zip code plus 4. You will get 8-digit number, 6-digit number, then dash, and then 4-digit number. Phone number format. Go to special, click on phone number. You will get in this format. Social security number. Control 1. Special. 4, then dash, 2, then dash, and then 4. Okay. Is this clear? So, in this number formatting, instead of default number formatting, you are converting into your required format from the list of available options. Okay. Now, what if you want to create your own format? That is called custom number formatting. In custom number formatting, you can create your own format. Let's go to custom formatting. Okay. Now, if you see, here already, these are for your practice purpose, okay? You have a date. Y is for year. And in Y, you will get from any number between 00 to 99. What does that mean, you know? 1900 to 9999 year. 1900 last 2 digit is 000. In 9999 year last 2 digit is 99. So if you say YY, suppose if it is 2025 year, you will get 25. 2023 year, you will get 23. That last 2 digit year. Okay. Format cells, control 1, go to custom, type YY, you are getting 25. 4 Ys will give you complete year. 3 Ys and 4 Ys both will give you complete year. There is no one digit year or 3 digits year. either 2 or 4. Okay. D will give you day 4 from the date. DD will give you 04. Triple D will give you week first 3 characters. Tuesday, right? So TUE. 4 Ds will give you complete week name. M will give you 1 digit month if it is a single digit month. Double M also same. Triple M will give you month first 3 characters. 4 M's will give you complete month name. Okay. Like this, already we have some example. Here we have format. Just go to custom, control 1, go to custom and type this format. First example, just give YY. Say okay, you will get 25. In the next example, go to this cell and type YYYY. You are typing your own format. So it will give you 2025. Like this, just try all these options. These are related to date and time. For date, D, M and Y. And for time, H is for hour, M is for minute and S is for second. Okay. Next one. To indicate number, we use 0 or hash. Day, month and year you are indicating with D, M and Y, right? Same like that. To indicate any number, you have to use either 0 or hash. Okay. Now I have a number like 0.5. Now what I am doing, just select this, give single 0. 0. Now 0.5, I am not giving any decimals. Just I am giving a 0. So now in this case, you have some decimal number. But you don't want to see any decimal, you are rounding it. Now 0.5 will show you like what? 1. If it is a 0.4, then you will get 0. Okay. 0.6 from 0.5 onwards, it will give you next value. 5 will give you 5 only. 5.5, 6. 5.55, 6 only. Say okay. 1, 5, 6 and 6. Okay, let me go to this range. I'm giving now custom. Type 0.0. Now I want to see my values in 1 decimal format. Now 0.5 will show you like what?
0.5.
0.5 only. What about 5?
5.0.
5.0. 5.5 is 5.5. 5.55 is
5. 6.
5.6. With 1 decimal, right? So if you are rounding it, it will go for third digit. Third digit is greater than 5, so it will add 1 number to the previous. So you will get 5.6. Say okay. If it is 0.00, then it will convert into 2 decimal format. 0.5 will give you like 0.50. 5 will give you like 5.00. Okay. You know that in our mathematics how we are rounding the numbers, right? Same. Coming to hash symbol, hash 0.0. It's like a 0.0 only. But what is the difference between hash 0.0 and 0.0? Let me give you here. Hash 0.0. Say okay. See, before decimal, if you don't have any number, it will not show you. That's only the difference. Before point, here you have 0. That's why it is not showing that 0. 0.5. But remaining all you have number, so it will show. Okay. And try remaining options also. What format you have to apply, already available here. Okay. And these are for 1000 separator examples. and round numbers by 1000 or million. I'll take one example, okay? Display thousands like /k and millions with /m. Okay. So if it is 1000, what do you have to write? 0. Suppose 0.0 means I want to see like with one decimal. 0.0, give 1 comma and /k. Say okay, then it will convert into 1000 separate. 500 is nothing but 0.5k. 5000 is nothing but 5k. Okay. And if it is a million, control 1, custom, 0.0, give double comma. Single comma will convert into 1000 for 1000 separated. Double comma will convert into millions of, we will get a millions option. Say okay. 0.1 million, 0.6 million. When you have lengthy numbers in your reporting, you don't want to show that complete number. Instead of 2000, just you want to show 2k. Instead of 5000 complete number, you just want to show 5k. There you need to go for this kind of number format. Okay.
And can we do it without knowing formula? Without using formula? If we don't remember formula for the week, how can we come?
You have to practice it. That is like a syntax, okay? Without writing, you don't have that option in by default in the settings. In the list, you don't have it. So you have to go for custom and type that. Okay. Once you practice it, you will remember all that. Okay. Next one. Let's go to this example. Okay. You have some plus 20, minus 20.4, 0, 0.6 and minus 11. Suppose if you have any positive number, I want to get like increase and that number. I want to add a word. If it is a negative number, then I want to get like decrease and then number. 0 is 0 only. So, okay. Now in this range, you have a syntax, okay? You need to remember this. There are total 4 categories. First one is positive, and then you have to give a semicolon. Next one is negative, semicolon. Third area indicates 0. Fourth area indicates text. So now this is 1 R, positive, negative and 0. This is only for numbers. Okay. Now in this range, select this range, control 1, custom. First one is for positive, right? So what I'm giving, in double quote, whatever you want to add text, keep that in double quote. Increase, colon, double quote close. And you want to see your value. I'm writing like 0.0. I want to see my value with 1 decimal format. Semicolon. And then second category is for what? Negative number. So write decrease, colon, double quote close and give minus 0.0. Semicolon and whatever is your number, just 0. Say okay. Now you can see increase. Instead of 20, you can see 20.0 because I gave 0.0. Okay. Decrease, 0, increase and decrease. You can do one more thing also. After increase, in square bracket, I'm giving green color. I'm adding a text increase as well as I'm changing the color to green. And second one, after decrease, let me give in square bracket red. To indicate the colors, you have to keep it in square bracket. Say okay. What? Did I keep that? Okay. In double quote. Okay. Say okay. Increase in green and decrease in red color. Okay. Let me go to one more example. Okay. I have these numbers. All these numbers I want to see with 5-digit format. Okay. Control 1. If you give 5 zeros, means I want to see my value in 5-digit format. Say okay. If you don't have 5-digit number, then it will add zeros first. Okay. Next, some more formatting. Just to take this example and try to apply this. This is for percentage and fraction. Let me take one more final example. Same like this, positive and negative. So first category indicates positive, then semicolon, then negative, semicolon, 0, and then last one is text. So in this range, if you have any positive number, then I want to show it in green color. Keep green in square bracket. These are the colors you can apply. Okay. But keep that in square bracket. Green and give 0 semicolon. Okay. And then this is for positive number. Red -0. This is for negative number. And then suppose blue I'm giving for what? Blue is for which one? Third category indicates for what? 0. So for 0 it will give you blue color. And then semicolon, let's give yellow. Yellow you will get for what? Text. That is the flow. Say okay. See, it will change the color. Next one. I'll copy this. I'm not typing every time. See now, green 0, semicolon, and I did not write anything for red. Directly I closed second semicolon also. Without giving any color or indicating the number, I just simply closed second semicolon. Third one is blue for 0 and yellow is for text. Say okay. Now, in this range, if you have any negative number, it won't show you because you did not give anything. Okay. It will hide that negative numbers. Next one. Now you tell me what will happen in this example. Green, 2 semicolons. Blue, 1 semicolon. Which values it will hide now? I closed second semicolon. So did not provide anything for red. So it will hide red color. Third category, yes, we wrote blue color. And last one, I did not write anything which is related to text. So now it will hide negative number and text. You will get only positive and zeros. And in the last one, let's give all semicolons. 3 semicolons. Now what will happen? It won't show you anything. No color for positive, Nothing for negative, 0 and text. Say okay. But if you keep your cursor there, you can see the value. Where will you use this? Sometimes you will do some rough calculations for reporting which you don't want to show to other, or you want to protect your data. No, you don't want to allow others to see it. Usually we enter the data and will hide the rows or sheet.
Yes.
Correct? So instead of that, you can simply select the range and apply custom formatting 3 semicolons so that you can hide the data in the selected range. Okay, is that clear? So just like that, go for remaining all. This is just for your practice purpose. Already example with what format you have to apply available here. Practice it. If you are good with custom number formatting, no need to use all these options. Whatever you are doing here, everything you can do in custom number format. Okay. Suppose tell me, I want to get to 2025 dash NOV dash Tuesday. Then what I have to write? Okay, let me type it. Huh. 2025 dash NOV dash Tuesday. This is what I want to get. So what I have to write to get in this format? Four wise.
11 dash
11. NOV. Yeah. How many M's?
3 M's.
3 M's.
And 3.
How many D's?
3.
3 will give you TUE.
4.
4 D's you
Four.
have. You have a column, date column, but all the dates you want to get in this format. Then select that entire column and type 4 Y's dash 3 M's dash 4 D's. That entire column will give you in this format. That is how you have to do. Okay? Hope all clear? Okay. Okay, then just practice this. I'll upload this file in the drive today. So tomorrow I'll start from clipboard. Copy paste is fine. Paste special, which is important concept, we will cover tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Any questions from anyone? Some question. Change other color. Yeah, I told you. Ma'am, is the square bracket color option only available for this format only? No, color you can apply for any. Wherever you want to apply colors, you have to keep it in square bracket and apply that color. See example, here I gave 0, right? But instead of 0, this colors you want to change to green. Then give 0 in square bracket green so that it will give you in this number formatting as well as color also it will change to green. Okay? Simple. Not only for this particular number formatting, everywhere you can use the colors also. Okay then, any other questions from anyone? If nothing, you can drop the calls, I'll upload the files. Thanks everyone. Yeah, okay. If you don't have. Gotcha.
ఇంతకుముందు మీరు గ్రీన్ కలర్ రెడ్ కోసం ఫార్ములా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు అది ఎలా చేయాలి ఫార్ములా ఒక ఫార్ములా ఎలా ఫార్ములా